If you are looking for an everyday makeup look that you can wear to school, work, a lunch date that's not over the top and budget friendly, and you're a dark skinned girly like me, stay tuned and keep on watching. Hi friends, welcome to another tutorial. I'm gonna prep my skin and give it some hydration. All of the makeup that I'll be using today, not skincare, only makeup, will be under $17. Clock it. I'd like to reiterate, this is a polished everyday look, not glam. Most people of darker complexion have either combo or oily skin. I have combo skin, so I'm gonna mattify my T-zone using this e.l.f. primer. This primer is going to control my oils throughout the day, which helps my makeup sit better and last longer throughout the day. That way I can worry less about blotting my forehead and nose like every hour throughout the day. If you have discoloration in the areas where I'm pointing at and foundation doesn't cover it, use a peach or orange color corrector at this point before foundation. NYX has good budget-friendly color correctors. Currently, this is what's in my kit. The Maybelline Matte Poreless Foundation is one of my favorite foundations. I really mean that. My shade is 380 Espresso. Their darker skin tone shades are good. Not perfect, but good. And once it dries down, it doesn't turn orange and oxidize on you. If anything, it just makes your skin look very smooth. Also, it's only $6. So if you are a woman of color and you just want some good foundation on a budget, this is your sign. Going back to the tutorial, stamp on the foundation for a nice even coverage. Don't forget the neck as well. I'm applying one layer or equivalent to one pump. A little goes a long way with this foundation. However, apply as much as you are comfortable with. Use the concealer a couple shades lighter than your skin tone so the face doesn't look so flat. Under the eyes, under the brow for a lifted eye effect works great. Blend this out using light pressure. If you have a hard time blending your concealer in with your foundation, press the product in with your actual hands and that'll do it. Time to enhance and brighten our eyes. I'm using a brightening stick from Kiko Milano. I like applying brightener right under my brow bone for that clean brow look. Time to set. For basic everyday makeup application, I would not recommend liquid foundation and setting with a powder foundation. What that does, again, most dark skinned people are going to have oilier skin types. That's why we age a little bit more gracefully. However, using a powder foundation for everyday makeup will clog your pores, making you oilier and causing acne on your skin. So lightly dust on some translucent powder instead. I like MCO Beauty. Use the berry tone blush and following with some highlighter. Dab on some highlighter on the high points of your cheekbones. I'm using an eyeshadow color because it's convenient. And if I were to use a gold highlighter, it would do the exact same thing. Lightly dabbing on with my finger for a subtle glow. Before I forget, the product list will be below in the description box. For the brows, I don't like to use straight black. I like to use a strong dark brown. Not all dark browns show up, but this one from Revlon has really good color payoff, and it does. Use a flicking motion going upwards, filling in any gaps. If you mess up, brush your brow hairs backwards and you can start over. I stopped using a clear brow gel because they all give me white flakes. So now I use one that dries down dark so I don't have to worry about that. Apply a light creme brulee shade on your inner tear duct. This will make you look more awake and brighten your eyes. If you don't have a small dome brush like this, a small flat shadow brush will do just fine. That same gold eyeshadow I used for my highlight. This will also be my shadow color for my lid. Simple and effective, that's what we want. Glide on a black liner on top. This will make your lashes look fuller and thicker when you apply mascara. Also, it brings out your eye color more because of the contrast. Pro tip: if you mess up, wait for the liner to completely dry down. Use a flat brush with a little shadow on it to go over the liner where you messed up, and it cleans it up and it's like nothing happened. Apply your mascara or lashes. I'm going to do 2 coats using a lengthening mascara. This is the L'Oreal Sky High. If you don't know about this mascara, you are absolutely missing out. She is viral for a reason. Well, look at that. Time to define the lips. Some dark skin girlies like black lip liner, some like dark brown lip liner. I prefer a dark brown lip liner. I think it looks more natural and soft in my opinion. So that is what I'm going to do. After gloss, I'm going to dab on some peach nude lipstick to tie everything in. A nude pink is another great option as well. Before setting spray, finalize where you want a little bit more blur. For me, it's under my eyes and the crevices around my nose. Setting spray is going to help everything melt in so that powder look will go away and your makeup will look fresh for the day. Okay, it's official. Time to lock everything in. Okay, friends, if this tutorial helped you in any way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay fabulous.